I'm going to show you how to use student-paced mode to assign any Nearpod lesson to your students to complete on their own time. Any lesson in your library, whether downloaded from our ready-to-run content or created by you, can be launched in student-paced mode. First, hover over the lesson you want to launch and select Student-paced. Just like with a live lesson, clicking on Student-paced will generate a 5-letter code, which your students can enter at nearpod.com. Student-paced mode gives you the option to choose for how long to keep this lesson code active. In other words, how long your students have to complete the lesson. You can select a range of up to 1 year. Here, for example, I'm choosing to give my students until the end of next month. You do not have to give students this 5-letter code. You can also share in a variety of other ways visible here, including copying a direct link to the lesson and pasting it into whatever platform you use to communicate with your students. You may even want to generate several student-paced codes aimed at different groups of students for the same lesson. You can do that by following the same process again. This time, be sure to click Launch New Student-Paced Lesson, which will generate another unique code and link. One thing to keep in mind, make sure your lesson is final before sharing it, as making edits to a lesson will end all of its active sessions. You'll be able to use Nearpod's Reports feature to see all of your students' responses in the lessons you assigned them. Check out our video on reports for more information. That's all for now. If you have any questions, please visit nearpod.com/help. Thanks.